Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, after a period of strategic silence and a complete social media blackout, Diana Marwa has officially returned to Instagram. Yesterday, the content creator signaled a new chapter by clearing her entire digital history and shared a vulnerable message about self-preservation and starting over. The movie came after weeks of speculation from fans who noticed that Diana had already deleted all her previous posts, leaving her millions of followers in dark. So guys, kama kawaida yake, aliweza kurudi akiwa so energetic. Naona aliandika pale kwa post and I quote, "What's up everybody? I'll be lying if I said I didn't miss you all." And I quote, so in a deeply personal reflection, Diana explained that her disappearance wasn't an act of avoidance, but a conscious decision to reclaim her mental space. Guys, as you can see, it seems Marwa has been going through something big and deep. But what could it be? Juu pale online wase walikuwa wanafikiria that maybe the Bahatis wana cloud chase as usual. Juu pia kumekuwa na ile story ya ule mama alikuwa ana claim kukuwa mama ya Baha. Na of late Baha ameonekana akishughulika na hiyo story. Hadi walienda kufanya DNA and we are still waiting for the results. I paused to survive, she said, not because I was running away, but because I needed silence to hear myself. Honestly, I feel strong but exhausted. No, I did not get pregnant. No, I did not go for surgery. I lost a lot of weight. I wasn't intentional. So guys, watu wanajiuliza ni nini hii yenye Aunty Mado alipitia hadi akahave kudelete everything on her Instagram na akaenda silent. Tumeona amerudi but amecut so much weight. What could have been the problem guys? Hebu mcomment hapo chini na maoni yenu.